Hello traders, welcome to Optional Enterprises watch list for the week of August 3rd, 2020. Got 7 new picks for you this week. First one we're looking at is gold. So a lot of people think this is not a great short right now. I am on the other side of that. It does look good for a reversal. It was triggered. We can see we've got the 5-day volatility expanding. And it is less than 50% of the 100 days, so this is definitely looking for a big move, whether that's to the upside or the downside. Only the future will tell. I am looking for a downside move in gold, looking for it to get below 1971.40 to enter a short down to 1952.30. Gold futures have about a $47 expected move this week, so that would definitely fall within a good price range. However, if you want to get long in this one, I'd want to see it get back above 2005.40, which is the previous high. And we could be looking to ride that up to 2045. Which is about the upper end of this channel, which it's in. Currently it's breaking out of it, so it definitely looks good to the downside for me. We'll see this week. So for longs, we want to enter above 2005.40. Target is going to be 2045. Shorts, enter below 1971.40. Target is going to bring us down to 1952.30. Second target, bring us down to 1941.90. Okay, so our next one here is PG, Procter & Gamble. We are at all-time highs, just hitting that 618 on fib extension off this strong support level down here around 111. And essentially we're looking for that area to hold. If it can hold and then get above 131.42, we look to ride the rally up higher into this channel. Procter & Gamble has a $2.50 expected move this week, so from 130.29 we're looking to ride this up to about 133.70, which is right around where this channel, depending how many days it takes, could end up being. So our upside target is 133.70. To the downside, we're looking for it to get below 130.01, which is right around where that 618 extension level is. Should have been a resistance zone. It kind of blew right through it. Closed above it on Friday. Below 130.01, we're looking down to 128.09, which is the previous high. For longs, we want to enter above 131.42. Target 133.70. And for shorts, we want to get in below 130.01. Target's going to be 128.09. AMD, been a great runner recently. Shot up from 55, the breakout point, up to 80. And if we're looking to get long into this one, we're looking above 78.96. And we've got about a $4.40 expected move this week, so above 78.96 we're looking up to $82 as a price target. However, get below 75.07 and we are looking down to 73.90 and 71.63. So for longs, we want to get in above 78.96. Target's going to be 82. For Shorts, we want to enter below 75.07. Target's going to be 71.63. Next one we've got here is OSTK Overstock. Great runner, blew past the 100 extension from our second measured move. And this one's again is triggered for a reversal. So looks like we could pull back to the top end of this channel, which is where it broke out of. We want to see it get below 73.43. Below 73.43, we're looking down to 66.61. However, above 73.43, and we could be looking to capture another $10 expected move. So looks like we want to see it get above 78.06. Above 78.06, and we're looking up to a price target of 83. For longs, enter above 78.06. Target is going to be 83. Shorts, we want to enter below 73.43. Target to the downside, we're looking at 66.61. Next one is XHB, the Home Builders ETF from the Spiders series. And 49.35 is going to be that magic level. We're looking at a break below 49.35 for a short down to 47.80. Above 49.35, and we're looking up to 50.80. What's interesting is this large position that started being built here on the 49s. Looking back in our think back feature, we can see that the original position started getting built on the 28th, with 1,000 being added at 235 by 390, and then another 1,000 on the 29th at 175 by 225, and then an additional 1,500 traded on the 30th, bringing that total number to what we see today, 35.65, for an average trade price between $1.75 and $3.30. So we're looking at a major put wall here. This could definitely be signaling to us that the rally in the Home Builders ETF is over, and 50 is that, or 49 is that put wall that they're not going to let it break above. You start seeing some strong selling action. So definitely looks like it might be a good trade to the downside, at least short term. For longs, we want to enter above 49.35. Target is going to be $50.80. And shorts, we want to get in below 49.35, so enter below 49.35. Target's going to be 47.80. Next one here is INTC. It's recently declined severely with a huge gap down, triggered for a reversal to the upside. We're going to need a bullish market for this one to really pull through. We want to see 47.59 hold up. 47.59 hold, we're looking up to 49.50. However, if 47.59 cannot hold, we're looking down to this congestion zone you see down here, which starts at 45.91, but it could definitely fall down to this multi-year support, which you can see here on the monthly chart. Actually, well, this is a weekly chart, but we can see that this level here is pretty critical, and it could definitely continue this decline down. However, triggered for a reversal, so if the market does decide to be bullish, we could catch some support for a short-term pop here and maybe build a bull flag or a bear flag. So for longs, we want to enter above 47.59. We'd like to see some strong buying conviction, you know, higher highs, higher lows, etc. Above 47.59, we're looking at 49.50 as our target. Shorts, we want to get in below 47.59, and we just want to see the prevailing trend continue with a strong bias of strong volume. strong sell volume, and our target's going to be 45.91 to the downside. Initially, it could go lower, but that's the initial analysis for Intel. And finally, we're looking at silver. So we'll look at the silver futures. Currently up almost 1%, but we're still selling off. And silver futures, we want 24.52 to hold. Above 24.52, we could be looking to retest 25.27. However, if the market decides to be bullish this week, then we can expect silver to fail, and we could be looking down to 23.41. So longs, we just want 24.52 to hold. Target is going to be 25.27. And shorts, we want to get in below 24.52. We'd also like the market to be bullish if we decide to enter into a short. We don't want to see any range bound market. We just want to see a straight bullish market. So the shorts, we want to enter below 24.52 in a bullish market. Target's going to be 23.41. Alright, that does it for Optional Enterprises watch list for this week. I want to thank you for watching. Again, if you found anything that helped you trade, please consider liking and subscribing to the video and the channel. This is Optional Enterprises, and I will talk to you next time.